Buong mundo ang nagulat sa inilabas ng China. Mula kasi sa Peking mapa noon na 9-dash line, 10-dash line na ito ngayon pero mas hindi makatotohanan. Malaking kasinungalingan talaga itong China. Kumakalat tuloy sa buong mundo ang panibagong fake news na inilabas nila. Sa inilabas kasing 2023 standard version map ng China, sakop daw ng China ang buong South China Sea pati na rin ang karagatang sakop ng Vietnam, Brunei at West Philippine Sea. Isama mo pa dyan ang buong bansang Taiwan at idagdag mo pa dyan ang ibang parte ng India. Kaya agad naman itong tinutulan ng India.
Now launching the 2023 edition of the standard map that clearly, incorrectly, wrongly shows parts of India as China's territory.
Pagigiit pa ng China, lahat ng nasa loob ng 10-dash line ay pagmamayari ng gobyerno nila. O diba? Ang kakapal talaga ng mukha ayon kay dating Justice Secretary Carpio. Pero kahit man daw maglabas sila ng bagong bersyon ng kanilang mapa, hindi daw ito magiging legal dahil hindi nakabase sa international law.
Klinaro nila that the lines in the South China Sea, whether 9 or 10, constitute their national boundary. So if it's your national boundary, everything within that is your national territory. The intention is to say that Taiwan is really part of China. New map cannot change as period, comma, or a single letter or number of the arbitral award. The arbitral award is there. It cannot be changed by this map.
Kahit ang mga senador ay hindi makapaniwala sa pinagsasabi nitong Chinese government.
General Bronner, the latest map of the People's Republic of China is no longer 9-dash line. It is 10-dash line. 10 na po yung guhit hanggang doon na sa Taiwan Strait. Oh, mas mahaba na masyado. So, mataas, iba na. Hindi na pinag-uusap, with all due respect, hindi na pinag-uusapan yung 9-dash line. 10-dash line na. They started with 13-dash line. In 1943, it became 11-dash line. And then it became 9-dash line. And then for this year, it's now 10-dash line. So, dumami na ho yung dashes.
Pati nga si Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief Romeo Bronner ay nagulat sa balitang ito. Kawalang respeto daw ito sa international law ang pinaggagawang mapa ng China.
Should respect the 2016 arbitral ruling na kung saan sinabi na itong 9-dash line is illegal, it has no basis, and that they should in fact follow the rules-based international order.
Nagulat naman ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa lumabas na balita. Ipinatawag na nito ang Chinese ambassador para pagpaliwanagin tungkol dito.
The map is officially confirmed to have been issued by the People's Republic of China. Then the National Security Council will recommend to the DFA the issuance of a strong diplomatic protest over the issuance of this map because it infringes upon the sovereignty, the sovereign rights, and the territorial integrity of the Philippines.